VoodooDE.
What's up guys, welcome back to Virtual Reality. I received this package today and I don't know if you know this sign, this little hand here. This is SubPac. SubPac M2, you can see it here. And this is actually a backpack where you can experience sound and you can connect it to any device that delivers sound, like smartphone or even gaming PCs, of course. And yeah, this is pretty interesting. Thanks that they sent it to me. This is really cool. So let's just go to the unboxing and see what is in here. Oh man, whoa, that looks interesting. Check this out. Wow, this feels very good material, but we will see, So let's check out what's in this package. I will just get it out of here. So this is it. Wow, that's nice. That's really nice. And you will put it on your back, of course, and you can tighten it here like a real backpack, or here, and you can close it, I think. Yes, you can close it here with these two guys. Now it's closed. Cool. Yeah, this is interesting. So there's a little box connected here. I have no idea what that's for, but we will check it out. The first one, as you can see, is will we get this focused? I don't think so. Oh man, I hate this so much. The first one is power, second is battery, third is Bluetooth, then intensivity, line in, and headphones. On the other side we got a Kensington lock and the power connector. So this is really interesting. really interesting. And there are some more. There's also a little power cable, but that's not very interesting. Here is some warranty information, and here is a quick start guide. So that it says charge, then intensity, wired audio source, headphone, and Bluetooth audio source. So this is interesting. We will see how this works, and we will try it out with a smartphone and perhaps a PC. And the good thing is I can compare it to other haptic suits, like the Tesla suit and the bHaptics Tech suit, because I tried them already. So we will see the difference. So let's check it out. Okay guys, I prepared the SubPac now. I had to charge it for around 4 to 5 hours, and now it's fully charged. And I put the intensity on nearly half, and I put my earphones in, and the other cable, the line in, is going to my smartphone. We will first try music, just some music, to check out how this works. And I will put on some hip hop now. So I'm listening to Flow Rider Low. So you and boots with the fur. This is, as it feels like if you stand on the stage in front of the sound boxes. Actually, it feels so real. Check this out. Yeah, of course you don't see anything. This one you can put here on your side. That's nice. That's really nice. I can imagine if we are going to run a little bit outside. This is perhaps pretty cool. So you can really feel the music while you are jogging and stuff. It's cool. It sounds very good, but it's only the bass, guys. Only the bass is recognized by the SubPac, so you feel the bass. But this is really cool for guys that love this that love to feel the huge bass of that. Wow, this is impressive, but the most important thing is, of course, for me, that we try it in virtual reality games. So I think we will check this out now. Okay guys, welcome to Pavlov. I will try this with Pavlov, and I can try it here as well. So let's check this weapon. Yeah. Wow. I feel it in my back, the explosions of the bullets, and this is really much more immersive than just playing it without the SubPac. This is really cool. So let's get some bots here. Leave me alone. Where can I reload this weapon? I have no idea. That was close. Wow, that feels really good, guys. Really, really cool. Wow. Every weapon reloads in another way. Oh dear. But it It really feels much better or much more realistic if you can feel the explosions and the shootings. Wow. And every weapon feels different because of the more bass or less bass or whatever. Wow. Let's try grenade. Hold it. I'm sorry, guys. Wow! This is so cool. Okay, that was not enough ammunition. Wow. Wow! Nice. Guys. I tried it. Come on. What are they doing? A row? A queue? Wow. God damn it. Yeah, that feels really good, guys. It's awesome. This is awesome in this game. Wow. Okay guys, that was the M2X suit, the SubPac, and I will tell you a little bit about my opinion about this. First I have to say this, I tried some music, and I'm a big techno fan, and techno has a lot of bass, and this feels really good, to be honest. It's pressure, you really feel it in your back when the beat goes on and stuff, and this is cool. But we have to consider, when will we use this backpack for listening to music? I think we won't sit in our living room and sitting like this and then listening to music while this thing is on our back. I don't think we will do that. I cannot imagine that I will do this. Also, when we go outside and jogging, will we really wear this backpack while we are jogging outside? I don't think so. Next thing was, I tried it with VR games, of course. I played Pavlov and Beat Saber, and later after this I also played Onward, and this feels really good, to be honest. It feels very good. We have a lot of different bass types that you feel the difference if you shoot a pistol, a small pistol, or a machine gun, or a hand grenade. You really feel the difference of that, and this is really cool. Okay, I had a lot of fun. Also, when you play Beat Saber and you hit the blocks and the beat, you feel as if you are in the game. It's cool. But guys, we have to talk about the disadvantages, of course, and this is the price for me. This thing here is about 385 euro, and I think it's 349 US dollars without tax. So all in all, inclusive shipping and stuff, it will be around 400 bucks US dollars, and this is too much. You have to consider, this is not a tech suit. This is not something where you have advantages in game, because you don't know where the bullet comes from. It's only on your back. You feel only the bass on your back. That's everything. So when you compare it to the bHaptics tech suit, for example, that I also tried, this is much better, because it has so many points where it checks out where perhaps the bullets come from, or where you get touched from somewhere, and then you feel it here or there or here, the exact point where you get hit or touched. You feel that from where that comes. And when we check the price now, the bHaptics tech suit is only 150 US dollars more than the SubPac M2X. This is not a huge difference, but the quality is a huge difference. So you can do much more with the tech suit. So this is a problem. The price is really a problem. So if this thing here would be 199 bucks, I would totally recommend it, because it's really cool. It feels good. The material is good quality and stuff, and also it's fun with gaming. But the price difference is not enough to tell you this is something like the tech suit. It's not. There's a lot of stuff missing to compare to the tech suit. So this is the problem, guys. However, if you want to buy it, you can do this via the links under my video. For example, you can buy it via my Amazon shop, and then you can also support me a little bit. Would be really awesome. And yeah, there is a difference between the old M2 model, and this is the battery life and the range of frequencies the bass can actually do. So these two differences. So check out that you buy the new one, the M2X. Yeah, guys, I hope you like this. I hope you can imagine what that is and how it feels. And if you want to support me, my channel and my work, so I can do much more English videos, then you can do this via Patreon or via PayPal. You can find my email on my channel info, and this would be really awesome, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE